We're still down below on the Aquastar 38, listed for sale with Boatshed Isle of Wight. I'm just standing by the lower saloon and now looking aft. And we're going to walk aft, have another look the other way. So walking aft past the helmsman's seat, past the upper saloon, companionway steps, lots of storage, lots of light, down, 2 good steps, into this fantastic ensuite aft cabin. Slightly offset island bed. With a fully sprung mattress. Vanity area. Storage, drawers, mirrors, lift up areas. Ensuite. Heads, basin, full standing shower. Nice touches, things like the films on the windows there, a bit of privacy. Very attractive looking, does its job. I'll just spin you back round in the aft cabin so you can get an idea of the size of it. Two good size hanging lockers. Beautiful timber work down here. And then pack out to the upper saloon.